Assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Samalla and you're watching my YouTube channel IELTS. Today we are going to talk about phrasal verbs with put, and these are really very important in daily life. So let's get started. So let's talk about the first one, put on. Definition: to wear something like clothes or accessories on your body. Example: I put on my jacket.
It's too cold, then put on a jacket.
I put on my goodbye sweater.
You look good.
All right, I was putting on my jacket and okay, I didn't see it because I was putting on my jacket.
Thank you. Put on your seatbelt.
Oh, so you should probably put on some pants.
So let's talk about the second one, put off. Definition: delay or wait to do something until a later time.
Tomorrow night is good. Tomorrow night is good, but you know what? Why put off something till tomorrow that you could do right now?
I told her it was stupid to put off the wedding just because the hall was gone, and she like flipped out.
Every year I say I'm going to file, and then I put it off until the day it's due, like today.
The longer I put off starting my own
So let's talk about the third one, put up with. Definition: to accept something unpleasant or annoying without complaining. Example: I can't put up with the noise from construction.
I cannot put up with your shoes being all over the house.
I don't know how you put up with me for so many years.
I didn't put up with you, Bojack.
You know, if I can put up with those, you can put up with a piece of art.
You are unbelievable.
So now let's talk about the next one, put down. To stop something holding in your hands and put it on surface. Example: please put your book on the table.
Down the gun, Dad.
No.
It's all right. You just put me down.
First, you have to put down the bat. Just put down the glass and get out.